set. Making real buttered popcorn from The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs by America's Test Kitchen. Pour a quarter cup of popcorn kernels into a large glass bowl. Drizzle kernels with half tablespoon vegetable oil. Stir with a spatula to coat kernels with oil. Cover glass bowl with a large plate. Place in microwave and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Until popping slows down to 1 or 2 pops at a time. The glass bowl will be extremely hot, so be sure to use oven mitts or ask an adult for help. Transfer the popcorn into another bowl and set aside. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in the original glass bowl and let it melt from the residual heat. Then pour the popcorn back and stir to mix. Finally, sprinkle a quarter teaspoon of salt over the popcorn. Mix well